$90,000.
It's crazy, right?
It's enough to give anyone a serious case of FOMO.
Oh, yeah,
Fear of missing out on the whole crypto thing.
definitely.
So maybe you're thinking, should I jump in? Should I buy some Bitcoin?
Right.
But what if there's another way to kind of ride that Bitcoin wave
Yeah.
without, actually buying Bitcoin itself?
Well, and that's what's so interesting right now, right? You can actually sort of play the Bitcoin game through certain stocks.
Mhm.
Companies that are, their performance is really tied to how Bitcoin does.
Okay, now unpack that for me a little bit. How does
Yeah.
that even work, and what companies are we talking about here?
Well, so one company, a really, really interesting case is MicroStrategy,
Okay.
ticker symbol MSTR.
MSTR, got it.
And they have basically gone all in on Bitcoin.
What do you mean all in?
We're talking billions of dollars invested in Bitcoin. And that's really thanks to their CEO, Michael Saylor. He is like a huge Bitcoin evangelist. Yep. Thinks it's the future of finance.
So it's like their stock is a proxy for Bitcoin.
Essentially.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, of course, a company's stock price, there's a lot of things that affect it.
Sure.
But they're so tied to Bitcoin that if Bitcoin goes up,
Right.
MicroStrategy stock should, in theory, follow.
Interesting. It's kind of risky though, right?
Oh, it's a huge gamble.
Yeah.
Some analysts are, really questioning it, but it's
definitely something to keep an eye on.
it is. It's fascinating for sure. So how about another company? How about Coinbase?
Okay.
Yep, ticker symbol COIN. So they are, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, at least here in the U.S.
Right.
And they actually directly benefit from Bitcoin going up and down, swinging back and forth. When Bitcoin surges, trading volume just explodes.
Oh, of course.
And Coinbase makes money, gets fees on every trade.
So even if you yourself don't own Bitcoin,
Right.
you can still capitalize on the fact that everyone's going crazy over it by, investing in the platform that they're using to trade.
Yeah.
It's like investing in a gold mine during a gold rush. You don't actually have to own the gold. You're letting everyone else do all the hard work, and you're making money off of their activity.
Exactly. And then, if we're talking about ease of access for kind of the everyday investor,
Right.
we can't forget about Robinhood.
Oh yeah, the app.
The app. Yeah.
Hmm.
Ticker symbol Hood. And they've really made trading, especially crypto trading, super user-friendly.
Right.
Like for beginners, it's a great way to get into it.
So Robinhood doesn't actually hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet, right?
So not directly, no.
But they made money, again, off the trading volume.
Yes, exactly.
So if Bitcoin goes up, more people are trading.
Right.
More people are trading on Robinhood, and they're making more money.
Yeah. And don't forget also like the demographics there, right?
Yeah.
Robinhoods are really popular with young investors, and they tend to be a lot more comfortable with crypto
Right.
than maybe like traditional stocks.
Sure.
And they're a big part of this whole boom.
So to kind of recap,
Right.
we have MicroStrategy, who's making this huge bet on Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
We have Coinbase, who's just making money hand over fist off all the trading activity.
Yeah.
And we have Robinhood, who is, opening the doors for everyday people to get in on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's really fascinating. 3 very different companies,
Yes.
all kind of tied to this Bitcoin roller coaster.
Yeah. And the interesting thing is like even if you decide, hey, you know what, I'm not going to invest in any of these.
Yeah.
Just understanding how these connections work, I think helps you see like how much crypto is changing the financial landscape. And especially Bitcoin, right? It's a shift that we haven't seen, I don't know, in generations, I think.
Yeah, it makes you wonder, what's the long-term impact of this
Yeah.
going to be? It's crazy.
Yeah.
And speaking of innovation, by the way, big shout out to Miami.
Oh, yeah.
Really becoming like a global hub for Bitcoin and crypto.
Absolutely.
It's exciting to see a city just embrace the future of finance like that.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for breaking that all down for me.
Yeah, no problem.
Super interesting stuff.
For sure.